Do you feel like you don't speak enough Persian? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
شغل شما چیه؟ من یک هنرمند هستم.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
شغل شما چیه؟
What do you do?
من یک هنرمند هستم.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's
شغل شما چیه؟
listen to it again.
شغل شما چیه؟ شغل شما چیه؟
This Persian sentence literally translates into, what's your occupation? But it means, what do you do in English? Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
من یک
Your occupation.
هستم.
I'm a, an, your occupation. For example, I'm an artist.
من یک هنرمند هستم. من یک هنرمند هستم.
Now, listen to some examples.
شغل شما چیه؟ من یک معلم هستم. شغل شما چیه؟ من یک پزشک هستم. شغل شما چیه؟ من یک مهندس هستم.
Listen to the dialogue.
حال مادرت چطوره؟ خوبه.
Once more with the English translation.
حال مادرت چطوره؟
How's your mother?
خوبه.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's
حال مادرت چطوره؟
listen to it again.
حال مادرت چطوره؟ حال مادرت چطوره؟
This Persian sentence literally means, feeling your mother how? But it translates as, how's your mother in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is state of well-being.
ه
This Persian sentence literally means state of well-being is. We omit the article she, but it translates as she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
خوبه. خوبه.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
حال مادرت چطوره؟ عالیه. حال مادرت چطوره؟ نه خوب نه بده. حال مادرت چطوره؟ غمگینه.
Listen to the dialogue.
همه چیز خوب است؟
دفتر خیلی گرم است.
Once more with the English translation.
همه چیز خوب است؟
What's the matter?
دفتر خیلی گرم است.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's the matter? That's,
همه چیز خوب است؟
listen to it again.
همه چیز خوب است؟ همه چیز خوب است؟
This Persian sentence literally translates into, is everything okay? But it means, what's the matter in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
دفتر
adjective.
است.
This Persian sentence literally translates into office adjective is, but it means the office is adjective in English. For example, the office is hot.
دفتر خیلی گرم است. دفتر خیلی گرم است.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
همه چیز خوب است؟ دفتر سرد است. همه چیز خوب است؟ دفتر پر سر و صدا است. همه چیز خوب است؟ دفتر کثیف است.
Listen to the dialogue.
شما چطور این رو میگید؟
این محل پارک کردن است.
Once more with the English translation.
شما چطور این رو میگید؟
How do you say this?
این محل پارک کردن است.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
شما چطور این رو میگید؟
listen to it again.
شما چطور این رو میگید؟ شما چطور این رو میگید؟
This Persian sentence literally translates into, you how this say, but it means, how do you say this in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
این
word.
است.
This Persian sentence literally translates into, it word is, but it means, it's word in English. For example, it's parking lot.
این محل پارک کردن است. این محل پارک کردن است.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
شما چطور این رو میگید؟
این صبح است.
شما چطور این رو میگید؟
این مسافرت است.
شما چطور این رو میگید؟
این تهاجم است.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Listen to the dialogue.
عدد مورد علاقه شما چیست؟ 7 است.
Once more with the English translation.
عدد مورد علاقه شما چیست؟
What's your favorite number?
7 است.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's your favorite number? That's,
عدد مورد علاقه شما چیست؟
Listen to it again.
عدد مورد علاقه شما چیست؟ عدد مورد علاقه شما چیست؟
This Persian sentence literally translates into number favorite you what? But it means what's your favorite number in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is number.
است.
This Persian sentence literally translates into number is, but it means it's number in English. For example, it's 7.
7 است. 7 است.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
عدد مورد علاقه شما چیست؟ 2 است. عدد مورد علاقه شما چیست؟ 4 است. عدد مورد علاقه شما چیست؟ 9 است.
Listen to the dialogue.
چه جور فیلمی دوست داری؟
من ترسناک دوست دارم.
Once more with the English translation.
چه جور فیلمی دوست داری؟
What kind of movies do you like?
من ترسناک دوست دارم.
I like horror. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
چه جور فیلمی دوست داری؟
listen to it again.
چه جور فیلمی دوست داری؟ چه جور فیلمی دوست داری؟
This Persian sentence literally translates as, what genre of movie do you like? But it means, what kind of movies do you like? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
من دوست دارم.
this Persian sentence literally translates as, I, type of movie, like. But it means, I like type of movie. For example, I like horror.
من ترسناک دوست دارم. من ترسناک دوست دارم.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
چه جور فیلمی دوست داری؟
من کمدی دوست دارم.
چه جور فیلمی دوست داری؟
من فانتزی دوست دارم.
چه جور فیلمی دوست داری؟
من عاشقانه دوست دارم.
Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
سلام، من میخوام با فرد مسئول صحبت کنم.
بسیار خوب. یک لحظه لطفاً.
Once more with the English translation.
سلام، من میخوام با فرد مسئول صحبت کنم.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
بسیار خوب. یک لحظه لطفاً.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's,
سلام. سلام.
then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
من میخوام با
person.
صحبت کنم.
This Persian sentence literally translates as, I like to with person speak, but it means, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
سلام. من میخوام با فرد مسئول صحبت کنم. سلام. من میخوام با فرد مسئول صحبت کنم.
Now, How do you answer this question?
بسیار خوب. یک لحظه لطفاً.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
بسیار خوب. یک لحظه لطفاً. بسیار خوب. یک لحظه لطفاً.
This Persian sentence literally translates as, okay, one moment please, but it means, okay, just a moment. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
من میخوام با یک نماینده فروش صحبت کنم.
بسیار خوب. یک لحظه لطفاً.
من میخوام با مدیر صحبت کنم.
بسیار خوب. یک لحظه لطفاً.
من میخوام با خدمات مشتریان صحبت کنم.
بسیار خوب. یک لحظه لطفاً.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.